Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Brawl Stars black screen issue. If Brawl Stars app opens to a black screen and nothing loads, this is usually a loading or a graphics issue. First of all, start by closing the app completely. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, swipe it away and then open the app again. If the screen stays black, restart your phone. Then check your internet connection. A weak connection can prevent game assets from loading, resulting in a black screen. Next, head over to your app store and then search for Brawl Stars and update the cape from the app store. A corrupted or incomplete update often causes black screen problem. On Android, clear the app's cache. On iPhone, go ahead and long press on the Brawl Stars icon and then remove and delete the app and reinstall the app if needed. Also, make sure your device meets the minimum system requirements. Older devices may struggle with newer updates. Once the game loads normally, the black screen issue should be gone. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.